Good morning, Candace Gillespie here with Candace's Canvases. This is not a voiceover, so in the background you can hear my kids and my husband playing, and I just wanted, before I give this to my friend, I wanted to show you what I made. The finished coffee cup album for her parents' 40th anniversary. So I did make this little box with this patterned paper. Oh, that didn't focus very well. And then you open it, and there's these little, these are, where did I get these? Oh, I won a gift basket, and these are all in the bottom, so I keep these crunchy paper. And then here is the finished album. So I'll flip through it. Sorry, you can hear the, you know, one kid's bound to get hurt, right? When someone's playing, it's so funny. So I made this charm. Her mom's, my friend Hillary's mom's favorite color is red, so there's a lot of red accents. This red yarn was from my pen pal Miyuki, and I just love that she always wraps her, well, the last two that she sent me, in red yarn, because I just knew that I was going to reuse it for something. And so here it is, a tassel, and then I just strung on some beads that I had. These were old necklaces that I took apart, and just to give it that element of fun. And then I have some lobster claws on here, and so this is just tied on with a big 1-inch red ribbon. And then there's this darling couple and some things that her parents, she just knows that, like, her mom loves coffee. So on my computer, I put in Courier new font, I put "You're the cream to my coffee." And then her dad always loves to sit and watch his shows or movies, whatever, with ice cream, and he puts milk in his ice cream. So "You're the milk to my ice cream." So, and then I did the zigzag stitch around the edge. I did 2 signatures with the long stitch seam binding. Oh my gosh, my brain is blanking on that. but I'm not even gonna try it. Okay. Excuse me. So open it up, and it says 40 years of life together, which is just quite amazing. So it's just blank so that she can slip pictures in, and let me find something to slip in here. Usually when I make these Polaroid frames, I glue it around the edges instead of gluing this, so that the picture can either slip in there a little bit, it can be a little pocket, or she could just put it right on top. So their song is "You Send Me." It's an old school song, an oldie but a goodie. So, darling, you send me. You know, I don't know if you guys know that song. Don't be too impressed by my singing skills. But anyway, so I just printed up those lyrics, and I put them all throughout the book. So they're screaming. Then this is our happy place. These are just some old stickers. There's going to be coffee and ice cream all throughout the book. Each page has a coffee cup shaped pocket where she can glue a picture on here, and then journal on the back. And I hand doodled some coffee and some ice cream. So there's that one. Put it back. I don't want to take too much of your time. Just fast forward if you need to. So, darling, you send me, honest you do, honest you do, honest you do. And then she loves to collect antiques. Her house is just so gorgeous with antiques. So a lot of what I used in here too was, I won a giveaway with Sizzix. They give away this awesome jar full of their die cuts, so I used a ton of their die cuts. So I glued a few together here, and that's going to be a little pocket, and then she can tuck under this paper clip, or just keep it as an accent. Here's this this tag with, again, I do this with all my little Polaroids. And I don't have I just measure this, and then I cut the rectangle, and then I just cut it out. This is always a 3/4 of an inch, and then this is always 1/4 of an inch. That's just kind of my DIY Polaroid thing because I know it's going to fit what I need it to fit onto. Oh, I don't want to take too much of your time putting these back. Okay, so this is a little tuck. Ooh, where's my little... Right here, and some, this is a stamp, and this is a stamp. It says donut. This is a die cut from the Sizzix giveaway that I won. This is a little pocket right here. And then on the back, a little hand doodled and colored with color pencil and, what is this, Gamasol. Put this back, and then... Oh, the tab dies are from Spellbinders. Tab set 1. This is tab set 1. Anyway, so I really am glad that I got those. I love them. And so this is just, I do the same thing so she could tuck a little picture in there, or she could glue it right on top, kind of cattywampus, and it could just look really accented. This was a part of the same die cut jar. Let me find it. Where did I put it? My desk is still a mess. 2018 is the year of organizing my craft space, but every month I'm just going to invest in big organizational units, so of course it's going to be a disaster until then. Here it is. So they sent me this jar. It's so fun. My favorite ribbon is seam binding ribbon. You guys know I have this, if you've watched my videos, I have this huge roll of the white seam binding ribbon, and I often will dye it with re-inkers or distress spray inks. So look at it's already colored. Love it. And this was overflowing, and so I used a ton of these die cuts already. Can't wait to use more. And that was my first time winning a giveaway, by the way. So that will be tucked in there. Another coffee cup paper clip. And then this was just the tiny words from Tim Holtz, happily ever after, it says. And then just these were stickers from Hobby Lobby. And the ice cream cone stamp is from Stampabilities. It's just a wood mount stamp. And then I got this little stamp from Hobby Lobby where it doesn't say who made it. It's probably under one of the stickers. Anyway, and then I did doodle some coffee cups at the end. You'll see. What is it? Okay. And then here's another handmade Polaroid frame. And honest you do, the lyrics to the song go all the way through. These, the vintage little things were, I couldn't help but to buy it. The ice resin ephemera images from Susan Lenart Casmer. These were originally $20, but at Hobby Lobby, you know, they were on sale for $1.25, so I could not stinking pass them up. Just a bunch of vintage images. I thought it would be awesome to, I got 2 packs of these, to just accent little things. So there's one of the images down there, and then Believe is one of the images. This Thankful and Grateful, this Love, this whole little piece, and this little tree were from the Sizzix giveaway that I won. And this is a little tuck spot right here. And hand doodled ice cream with, this is just some of the, it's a Distress Oxide ink. I can't, Candy Apple maybe? Can't remember the name off the top of my head. But I have a little line stamp. It's like, anyway, I'm rambling. That's why I don't record live very often, or non-voiceovers very often, because I'm a rambler. This is a little tuck spot here. This was in the Sizzix giveaway win, along with this butterfly and this oval. And these are hand-doodled ice creams. This one and this ice cream cone and this coffee cup were hand-doodled. It's a little tuck spot Polaroid. It's the lyrics to the song. I have a die for this. That's an old Stampin' Up! Die. Happy Day, this flower was from the Sizzix giveaway win. And Celebrate was from the Tim Holtz Tiny Phrases. And then, the same hand-doodled ice cream cone with the same ledger lines on the back for journaling. And then this little camera, you can kind of see it if I let the light hit it right. It's got embossed like camera. It's a camera anyway. And then more of those little ephemera, ice resin ephemera things with a oval and a circle. The oval and the circle were from the Sizzix giveaway win. And then I hand doodled and colored this coffee cup and this ice cream cone. And more lyrics to the song. And I just cut it out and backed it on black. Because my favorite tiny word phrases are the ones that are with the... I put them on they're the black ones with the white writing. And on my computer, I don't know how to do that. So, did I show you this one? Yes, I showed you that one. Okay, let me show you. It was so, to give it some black, I just put it on black cardstock. So you could see it a little bit better, but okay, so this is just some stamps and circle die from the Sizzix giveaway. This is a sticker pack that I got with the ledger lines. Put that in there. And then some, let me see, a doily. I'm gonna sneeze one second. Excuse me. Yeah, see the black tiny words with the white letters? Those are my favorite. Versus the white with the black letters. I like them both, but my favorite is that one. You know, that contrast. But I don't know how to do that on my computer. Anyway, this leaf and these paper flowers, this and this hello are from the Sizzix giveaway die cut. A doily, I got a couple packs of different colors on sale at Hobby Lobby. And then this is more of the die cuts from the Sizzix giveaway, and then the ice resin ephemera pack, and the handmade Polaroid little tuck spot there. And this is these flowers are from these flowers, and this I colored that, but they're from the Sizzix giveaway. She could glue pictures onto this, the tiny words, I love you, from Tim Holtz, and then sticker. I did use the staples, the tiny attacher staples, all throughout. And then, let's see, one thing is I'm afraid they're going to get caught up when you tuck them back in, but it's kind of worth it to me. And then, how sweet it is to be loved by you. That's the tiny words from Tim Holtz, and these are just the stamps, and then the Sizzix giveaway die cuts, and that completes the book. And I did leave the back plain. I might put my my name stamp on there, but that way she knows it's an album made from a coffee cup. Otherwise, if I covered it too much, it's hard for people to tell what it was originally. So that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've been thoroughly inspired, and go out there and create your own album. And if you do, remember to tag me, hashtag Candace's Canvases, so I can see your creations and possibly share your photos on my Instagram feed. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a joyful comment. I usually reply to comments. I read them all the time, but what else do I have to say? I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, friends. You guys take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye.